Alon Poly Extrusions is the leading manufacturer of DWC and solid wall HDPE pipes. In this video, we will walk you through how easy it is to install and join DWC pipes, the ideal pipe for wastewater applications. Installation of Alcor DWC pipes is a very simple process. At first, prepare the trench by excavating the soil by an excavator or manually. Trench should be wide enough to fit the pipe and personnel to handle the pipe and any relevant machinery. At first, install the rubber ring on the first valley in the corrugated pipe. Then, it shall be carried and placed in the trench. Two pipes are then push-fit to join using jointing jacks or any other mechanical push-fit methods. The entire process is simple and faster than any other conventional methods. It's no wonder the engineers choose Alcor DWC pipes for their sewerage and drainage wastewater projects.